The roof itself is massive, so to re-roof it took a lot of work from a lot of really good trades. So with the unique shape of this curved roof, it has an uplift of 100 pounds per square foot. So the wind uplift is just unreal on this thing. All the parapet steel was custom made, heavy gauge, lots of fasteners.
The project was a replacement of a roof that was around 450 meters long. It was originally a standing seam metal roof that had kind of pulled apart with the expansion and contraction of our weather that we've had. With that, the roof was leaking fairly bad, and it was causing some water damage and different things inside the building. Believe it or not, the RDP actually had a stack of 5-gallon buckets to catch the water because the roof was leaking.
We had one lift point on the whole job that we could access with a zoom boom, so it was really challenging because the roof has a big curve to it. So at the far end, they were working very hard to rip it off and take it down to the far end. We had heat on that roof like you wouldn't believe last summer. There were some times it was 97 degrees without torching in an area, so you can imagine the heat is just unbearable. So that slowed us down a little bit, but our trade partners were able to work through the next following weekends after that to keep up and keep ahead of schedule.
We had provided a proposal on how we were going to go about fixing this problem. We worked closely with the RDP team to develop a good solid plan, and I would like to thank the RDP team. They were fantastic to work with from start to finish. I would like to thank all of our sub-trades that were on this project. They worked amazingly hard and kept everything on schedule as what they committed to. It was really good team atmosphere that we had. And then also huge thanks to our group with Chandos and Keegan running the show on site.
I'd like to thank my trade partners, the Chandos office, estimating team. They all did a great job.